USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against yen. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like, press the bell thingy, and then check out the Telegram. Join Telegram if you want. Check out the broker, sign up with them and start your trading journey. Now coming back to the chart here, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, what we have in weekly, we have crossed above the EMA last few weeks, then pull back, and we're supposed to go up now. Coming back to daily, in daily we are floating above the EMI, so we are in the uptrend in USDJPY. This is your uptrend pullback new high. Then we have tried to threaten the market. We have tried to threaten the traders that I'm gonna go down. I'm not gonna go down. This is your uptrend. Okay, clear uptrend here, rejection hammer. And then again, you see rejection. The price is not able to break below the EMA in daily chart. Okay. So in daily, no matter how much they have tried, on Thursday, 14th of August, it tried to, scare everybody, but eventually it turned into the hammer. Okay. So then it was Friday, rejection has come again. You see, on Friday again, we failed to break below the EMA. So this is continuation of the uptrend. Coming back to 4 hour, where is your entry? Entry is right here. This is your free money. Okay. This is your downtrend. I think downtrend is over here. This new high, because you see this previous high is broken. So this is your new high, pull back, and we're supposed to go down. Okay. So if you want more surety, more assurance, then wait for the price to maybe break or close above the EMA or break this previous high. Okay. So it's entirely up to you. You can wait for more signals. So, let another blue candle close above the EMA. So if I want more surety, I'll wait for the price to close above the EMA in the blue candle, and then I'll go up. So I'll be looking for longs in USDJPY in this coming week from Monday onwards. Okay. So overall, dollar is going to go up. So look for longs in dollar pairs and look for shorts in other pairs which are correlated with dollars. So this is all I have for you. This is all free money which I'm giving to you, and you are giving me nothing. Okay. So subscribe, like, do all of that, pay my fees, join Telegram, blah, blah, blah. I'll see you in my maybe next Sunday video. Take care.